Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. Today, we're tackling a hot topic: how to transfer USDT from KuCoin to your bank account in 2025. If you're into crypto, you know USDT is a stablecoin that's pegged to the US dollar, making it a reliable way to move funds without wild price swings. But getting it from an exchange like KuCoin into your everyday bank account isn't always straightforward. Don't worry, I'll walk you through it step by step, so you can do this confidently and efficiently. First things first, make sure your KuCoin account is fully verified. This is crucial for withdrawals and helps keep everything secure. Head over to the KuCoin website or app, log in with your credentials, and enable two-factor authentication if you haven't already. Security is key in the crypto world, especially in 2025 when regulations are tighter. Next, locate your USDT in your KuCoin wallet. Go to the Assets or Wallet section, find USDT, and decide how much you want to transfer. Now, here's the important part. You can't directly send USDT to your bank account because it's a cryptocurrency. Instead, you'll need to convert it to fiat currency first. Use KuCoin's trading interface to sell your USDT for USD or your local currency. Keep an eye on fees, they can add up, so choose the best option available. Once you've got your fiat balance, head to the Withdraw section. Select your currency, enter your bank details, and follow the prompts. KuCoin might require additional verification here, like uploading ID or confirming transactions via email. Processing times can vary, but it usually takes 1 to 3 business days in 2025, depending on your bank and location. Before you hit that withdraw button, double-check everything. Crypto markets are volatile, and there are risks like transaction fees or potential hacks. Always use a secure connection and consider smaller test transfers first. If you're new to this, I recommend reading up on KuCoin's support pages or consulting a financial advisor. And there you have it. Your USDT is now on its way to your bank. Thanks for watching. If this helped, give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more crypto tips. Drop your questions in the comments below, and I'll see you in the next video. Stay safe and crypto smart.